case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In an intriguing lawsuit that played out in the Delaware Court of Chancery in 2007, United Rentals Inc. clashed with Cerberus over the interpretation of their complex merger agreement. The legal wrangle was replete with accusations of modified contract drafts and ambiguity surrounding the agreement's language, and had significant implications on the equity commitment letter and the potential enforcement of the merger agreement. The crux of the dispute involved revisions supposedly made to the merger agreement and guarantee drafts. United Rentals alleged that important provisions were surreptitiously removed from the drafts. To ascertain the validity of these allegations, the court embarked on an assessment of the contract's language and any modifications introduced by the contending parties. The objective was to unravel the common understanding the parties shared during their negotiations. An examination of United Rentals' rights under the lens of the equity commitment letter and an evaluation of the company's capacity to seek specific performance of the merger agreement were conduits to establishing this understanding. However, upon review, a contradiction emerged between the language of the merger agreement and its remedies provisions. Coupled with negotiators that failed to elucidate their positions, this resulted in a contract riddled with ambiguities. Unclear communication and an absence of explicit provision for the desired remedy under the terms of the contract further complicated matters. Guided by the forthright negotiator principle, the court held that one party's understanding of the contract could indeed bind the other, if it could be established that they knew or should have known of this understanding. In the final ruling, the court leaned toward Cerberus, asserting that United Rentals had failed to meet its burden of proof. Despite United Rentals' fervent appeal for the specific enforcement of the merger agreement, the court deemed it unjustifiable. URI's request for specific performance was therefore flatly rejected due to the ambiguous nature of the contract and the ineffective communication on the part of the contending parties. This lawsuit underscores the pivotal role clear contractual language and effective communication play in business negotiations. The court hinted that this legal mess could have easily been sidestepped had Cerberus simply expunged Section 9.10(b) from the contract. A cautionary tale indeed.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.